Today I'm at Valley Falls State Park. It's in the northern part of West Virginia. It's a little ways outside of Fairmont. It's the largest town close by. This state park is fairly popular on the weekends. I'm here the first week of November, and there's quite a bit of foot traffic here around the falls. It's quite scenic. A lot of people come down here, take pictures, fish, and check out the area. So I'll show you around. This is the Tygart River that we're looking at, just downstream of the main falls here. And these are the cascades. This river actually flows to the north and joins the Monongahela River further downstream. As we look upstream, we can see the largest set of falls that are in the park here, and about 100 yards above these falls there's another slightly smaller set that we'll check out here in just a minute. This is a site where a whipsaw mill was built for cutting timber, and then later there was a grist mill built in the same location. This is the upper portion of the falls. I would estimate that drop is about 8 feet that we're looking at, so it's still a pretty good sized fall. There's a shelf here, there's several areas the water's pouring over. You'll see as we look here, but the falls below this are a little bit larger, but these are still pretty impressive falls here. Here I'm on the Tygart River Trail. This is looking up towards the parking lot. According to the state park's website, there's a total of 18 miles of hiking and mountain biking trails within this park. This trail runs along the side of the river. Some pretty cool views of the river from up above it. So I decided while I was here to give it a try fishing for a little bit. I spent about 20-25 minutes fishing some of the pools and right behind some of the cascades here, just seeing if I could catch anything. Tried some different lures, retrieve speeds, didn't have any bites or anything. There were quite a few people fishing down here though. I ran into another large group of people coming in as I was leaving, and I saw at least 2 groups fishing the river while I was here. So I have a feeling this area gets a lot of fishing pressure from locals and people coming in from out of town also. So here I decided to take a hike upstream of the falls, probably close to a quarter of a mile above them, and I'll show you a picture of what the river looks like here. It actually widens out quite a bit and it's nice and calm up here.
So I found this really large rotted out sycamore tree down here, and it's pretty big. I thought I'd actually walk up to this so you could see how large this tree really is.
So at this point, I headed back downstream. There were a couple more things I wanted to show you before I wrapped up the video. This is one of the Almost Heaven swings. There's quite a few of them throughout the state. I'll put a map up here with locations on it so you can see. A lot of people like to take pictures on these swings. If you wanted to come down here, hang out for a few hours in the afternoon, there's plenty of picnic tables and covered areas down here at this park to do that. So I just wanted to finish up this video with some slow motion shots here of the water crashing over these cascades so you can get an idea of the amount of water coming through here and the power of it. And wanted to say thank you for watching the video. We appreciate it, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thank you.